We're going to give you a walk around in the OAM booth and show you what's new this year. Starting out on this side, we're really excited to announce that we have a black texture version available for our quick covers. Now, previously we had the smooth that you could paint to match your truck. We had a lot of people requesting something that didn't have to be painted, so this offers that. It also gives you sort of that rugged kind of bedliner type look that everybody really likes. Of course, we've still got our smooth covers, which we've got showcased back here. Obviously, they just come in raw plastic, so you've got to prime and paint them to match your truck. Coming over to this side of the truck, we've got one of our textured cab corners on this Ford Raptor. You can see how well the black looks with the black paint. Now, another really exciting thing that we're talking about this year is our crown lighting. Now, this is a completely new approach to cab lighting. We wanted something that was more aesthetic than just a bolt-on part. We also wanted to incorporate some running lights and some turn signals as well. So this is just a prototype, but we do have a patent pending on this, and we do plan to release it in 2020. Coming around to the other side of the truck, we've got a really nice cutaway showing the one-piece full-length rocker painted on the truck. You can kind of zoom in on that, and you can see from a few feet away, you can't really tell it's on there, but if you look close, you can see the seams. And painted to match, these are a really clean install. And just a really clean, nice look. The one-piece cab corner and rocker for the 09 to 14 F-150 Super Crew is coming soon, and likely we'll have that available late this year or early next year. Another one of our new products that is slated for release next year is our bed runners. So the inspiration behind this is that we're watching these trophy trucks, the Baja trucks, the pre-runners, and they all have kind of that curved bed cap. And this gives you that same pre-runner kind of Baja look on your stock F-150 or on your Raptor. You can take this, remove your OEM bed cap, put this right over the top, and you get that really nice curve effect that gives you those desert lines.